Okay, be honest, you think you need money to start investing, right? What if I told you that's the biggest lie holding you back? $0 in your account? Doesn't matter. You can start building wealth habits today. Crazy, right? Let's get into it. Step 1. Invest in your brain before you invest a single penny. Learn how money actually works first. That's it. 15 minutes a day, read something, watch a solid finance video, throw on a podcast while you're making coffee. Here's the truth nobody tells you: people don't lose money because they're broke. They lose money because they jump in blind. Knowledge? That's the one investment that costs you nothing but time. Everyone can afford that. Step 2. Prep like you're already investing, even when you're not. Open a brokerage account. Right now, $0 in it, doesn't matter. Build a watch list. Pick a few companies, some index funds, whatever interests you. Then just watch. Watch how they move, how they react to news, how the market breathes. It's like learning to drive before you've even got the car. So when the money does show up, you're not fumbling around, you already know the road. Step 3. Build the saving habit. Can I tell you something? A few years back, I kept saying I'll invest when I have more money. Guess what happened? Nothing. Months passed. Zero progress. So I flipped it, started saving just a few bucks a week. A few bucks. It was never about the amount. It was about proving to myself I could actually do it. And you know what happened? Those tiny savings turned into my very first real investment. So here's the deal: if you've got $0 today, stop waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start learning. Start preparing. Start saving. That's genuinely how it begins for everyone. If this helped even a little, hit subscribe. More no-nonsense finance videos coming your way. And I want to know, what's actually stopped you from investing so far? Drop it in the comments.